In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your users. Setting up your team is the first thing you'll do in Velastria. Every clinician, receptionist, and manager who logs in needs a user account. You invite them by email. They click a link and set their own password. By the end of this video, you'll have sent your first invitation. Setting up your team is the very first thing you'll do in Velastria. Every receptionist, every clinician, every manager, they all need a user account to log in. Open User Management from the Manager dashboard. Here's the page. Across the top, you've got existing active users with their roles, and below that, any pending invitations, people you've invited who haven't accepted yet. Velastria doesn't ask you to set passwords for your team. Instead, you send each person an email invitation. They click the link, set their own password, and they're in. That keeps credentials secure and gets your team onboarded without you handling passwords. To invite someone, click the Invite User button at the top of the page. A short form pops up: name, email, what role they get, and what kind of clinical staff they are. Start with their name, first and last. What shows up next to their actions in the system. Then their work email. That's where the invitation goes. System role decides what they can do across the whole app. Staff is the default. It covers most of your team. Admin lets them manage users and settings. Owner is full access, including billing. Keep that for one or two people you trust completely. Staff type is the clinical role: surgeon, doctor, nurse, receptionist, PCC, practice manager. This is what shows up against them on the calendar and in reports. If they're not a clinician, you can leave this blank. Click Send Invitation and Velastria emails them a link. They click it, choose a password, and the next time you check this page, they've moved from pending into your active user list, ready to log in. Until they accept, they appear in the Pending Invitations section here, and you can resend or cancel the invitation anytime. That's user management. Open User Management, click Invite User, fill in their name, email, and roles. Hit Send Invitation, and they get an email to set their own password. Pending invitations sit at the bottom of the page until they accept. Onboarding a brand new team should take you about 30 seconds per person.